save the world. Come and get down on the world. Your troops set down all the good stuff. You never see at the first. I saw here something there. I saw here something there. By the self of the shutdown.
Of around 4,000 feet, AIZAWL is a bustling town, growing in importance every day as Mizoram strides ahead towards modernization. The bazaar is really the heart of AIZAWL, where people of the town get together. Sangluna and Hilili are an example of emerging modern Mizoram. The social freedom of the Mizos has helped their women play a larger role in development. Hilili and Sangluna are both working people, and yet they have retained their warmth and hospitality, their cheerfulness and lust for life.